March is here, and with it comes a new Stitch Your Story theme, Miracles.
It's an ongoing series where you tell your story in the quilt blocks that you're going to be making throughout the year.
Last week we had Angela Tilsher, the author of the book Miracle of the Mountain Quilt.
Bravery isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet.
On top of all that, we learned how to resize your quilt block, and we discovered an amazing technique to transfer printed photographs onto your fabric.
Now, if you aren't watching yet, you are definitely missing out. Join us live every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain and 3 p.m. Eastern.
We can't wait to learn about the miracles in your life.
Nature is my miracle.
So catch up by watching on YouTube and Facebook with the links below.
Briefings Live is where we always have something to make you smile.
Here you go. Something to learn
and something to discover. Let's go.